Organizing email. Are you overwhelmed with tons of emails that you don't know what to do with? Does your inbox look like it's a scrolling, never ending list of messages? Well, today's your lucky day. You are going to learn how to organize your email inbox and keep it that way. All right, guys, so today is fairly simple because Edpuzzle is going to take you through the whole process, okay? So all you have to do today is log into Edpuzzle. You can click this link right here and it'll open Edpuzzle in a new tab. And you should probably already be logged in from a previous time, but if not, make sure you choose sign in with Google, okay? Once you do, look for the Edpuzzle on your page called Organizing Email, okay, and complete it, okay? It'll take you a few minutes because you have to answer a few questions but also do a few things, okay? Remember to let it play all the way to the end or it won't show that you completed it, okay? And then finally, when you're finished, come back here because I still want you to submit something in Canvas. If you don't remember how, you can read these right here. It's a text entry today, and you're just going to explain 3 reasons to keep your email organized. All right? So that's it, guys. Complete the Edpuzzle, and then come back here in Canvas and give me 3 reasons why to keep your email organized. Click right here for a video on how to do that if you don't remember. This is going to help you guys a lot, and you're also going to learn about a few other tools in Gmail that I think you'll use. All right? See you in class.